Now we are going to learn about assigning a task. How to assign a task for a particular person. Either you can go to here task management, this particular tab on left hand side, or we can go to home and select new item. There we have to select a task. Either you can use. We'll go to here first task management. Now we need to create a task. There is no task assigned. Okay, only one important task is there, but it is not a follow-up task to-do list we have. But we need to assign a task, new task if you like to assign to one particular person. How to assign a task? We have to go to new task here, click on a new task. Now it is asking a subject. For example, it may be a update sales. Okay, there is a task. Then what I am saying that subject of the task, and when it will start will be tomorrow it will start. Okay, and I say it is not in a process progress, if it is completed, or if you like to which status it is, you can select a status. Okay, not as started. And the due date will say 7th, 1 day, 2 days we have been given. Okay, and priority I say high priority. Either you can use this one, or we can use a here low priority, high priority. And if anything is completed, we can assign how much task already has been completed. If you like to get a reminder, then select here when to get a reminder on a 7th. In this is task to be finished by a, we'll say, okay, task to be finished by a, like this we have been given a reminder. Then we can give the task description here, like uh, update all sales for 2020 here. Okay, like this we can give the all the details what he has to be done in that particular task. Once you have been done with that particular task, then we have to assign this particular task, right? We have to assign to one particular person. We select assign task here, and we can type their email address to whom we are going to assign. How to type here? Either you can type here email address, or you can address book here, it is that you can check to whom it has been assigned. Do you like to assign to the team, or would you like to assign to one particular person? You can select that particular person, and you can say to okay, so that it has been assigned. Like this we can assign by using a address book what you already stored. Then we have to say send. We have to send him, so he will get a notification that this particular task has been assigned to that particular person. In case if it is a recurrence task is nothing but repetitive task. If it is a repetitive task, we have to select a recurrence. If you like to categorize a task into one particular category, then you can categorize by selecting a red category, green category, like that. For your reference it is. You can change the tags also. If you like to follow, then you can use a follow-up manager here. Then once you have been done with everything, we have to save and close. Save and close. So that here task has been updated. One task already has been created. Similarly, we'll create one more task, recurrence task, like we'll say update weekly meetings. Okay, when it will be start, I say that today itself. Okay, and the due date today itself we has to update low priority, and we'll say in progress, and we'll give like 20% already updated. Okay, then recurrence, I will select a recurrence. In the sense every week Okay, it is a weekly update. So every week on Monday, okay, we have to recurrence, in the sense it has to start recurrence till how many days it has to repeat. You can select that particular day, till that particular day it will be repeat, or end after how many recurrence, for example 26 recurrence, or no end date, keep on recurring itself. Like this we can say, so that it will be recurrence task will be created, then save. So here you can see one task is there already. Okay, that is a recurrence task we have. Once you have selected a task, if for example if it is completed, any task you have been completed, then you have to select that particular task and you have to say completed, mark completed, so that it will be marked as a completed. Okay, then if you like to remove from the list, you can remove from the list. Okay, it goes to next week. You can observe here it will have gone to next week. Okay, because again it will be recur on a next week. This week it has been completed, it will occur on a next week. Okay, similarly if you like to delete, you can use the delete button. If you like to forward this that task, you can forward to any of your contacts. Okay, or you can forward as attachment, you can forward as a attachment also, and you can mark completed when it is completed by using this one, and remove if you don't want. And here if you like to view, in the sense task to be viewed in which way, for example we can say detail all are will be here, and it is a strike is nothing but we already marked as a completed, for that reason it has been strike it out, and these two are not yet started, so we haven't marked as a status, haven't updated, for that reason it will not be shown here. Okay, simple list like this, or to do like this. Okay, prioritize, okay, like priority basis it will list. Okay, completed all completed task, if you like to say. Okay, today task, any task is there today, to check that one. Okay, next 7 days which are the tasks we have, and overdue, already assigned but you haven't completed, overdue, and assigned task, to whom it has been assigned. Okay, based on assignment basis, like this we can change the task. Okay, for example if you like to do anything in a task, we have to double click and we can update into a task. For example you have been started, in progress, we say 50%, then save and close, so that this particular task will be updated as a 50%. This particular task we already completed, one particular task, this is not completed here because this is the next week task here. Okay, completed task we can check. Okay, here it is completed. Okay, it will give 100% once it is completed. Okay, like this we can change the views here, in the sense we can shortlist which are the tasks we have, and we can also reply to the particular person, or all the mails you can forward or delete that particular task. To create a new task we have to use this one, and to change the priority we have to use this particular section. This is all about how can we use the task management to assign a task or to manage a task, and which will help someone, in the sense in a team, when you're working in a team it will help to manage a team also.